Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token 2023. Yes, we are expecting over 100,000% increase in price this year, 2023. And one impressive thing is that Tectonic token have already started this year with a massive rise. Now we are expecting more exchanges to list this coin this 2023. I'm expecting over 3 to 5 new exchanges listing Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token, with all this support, we believe 2023 is going to be one of the best year, over 100,000% pump. Of course, it's possible for Tectonic token to hit about 100,000% increase in price. I know a lot of people will start calculating how much they will actually end with a $100 investment. Well, with a $100 investment, if a Tectonic token eventually hit about 100,000%, that means you'll be having about $100,000. So 10,000 will give about 10,000. So even if it's 1,000%, that is about $1,000, which is still a good return on investment. But the Tonic token developers, they really did a lot this early 2023 this year, and I believe starting the year with an impressive, in fact, they almost doubled the market cap of Tectonic token within a period of 3 days, and a lot of people actually started buying this coin now to hold. Everyone believed that Tectonic token this year will delete some zeros, 1, 2, or 3 zeros, but I think it's more possible. Binance themselves are also, I hope that, because they actually added this coin on their watch list, even Coinbase, and I hope they might list Tectonic token this year. One important thing is for sure that Bitcoin itself is already started showing some kind of a move. When you take a look at the technical analysis, and I believe that BTC this year, we are going to see Bitcoin really increase. I just hope that what really happened last year will not continue, especially crypto industry in general was being affected by mostly the fundamental news around the crypto industry. I hope this year is going to be one of the best year for crypto industry, because if BTC can really increase, hit back at its all-time price, then Tectonic token can even hit over 1,000 to 2,000% increase in price. So let's hope to see that 2023 will become one of the best year for Tectonic token, hitting over 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000% increase is going to be one of the biggest dreams of every Tectonic holder, and I hope to see that Tectonic token will keep increasing. Now they started this year with a rise. I hope this continues. I hope to see the market cap sort of dropping back again. I want to see the market cap increasing, hitting about $50 million soon. From there, I believe the market cap by end the year trading over $100 million, and let's hope to see the best come out of Tectonic token this 2023. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.